Tupperware, the airtight plastic containers that keep good food.
And this is smarterware. A better way to keep tabs on your food, both in the fridge and on the go.
Alexa, tell Ovie this is quinoa salad.
Okay, I'll remind you in 3 days.
So you can always know what's left and find new ways to use it. With a smart tag you can put anywhere that changes colors to let you know how long food has been stored. And recipes that suggest meals based on the food you already have. So there will be less of this, and more of this, and this, and this. Introducing smarterware.
Sous vide is a cooking technique in which food is heated at a consistent temperature in a water bath. Because we can control the heat precisely, we can predict the results exactly, every time. With traditional cooking methods, heat flows from a burner to a pan, then into our food. Or the glowing elements of an oven heat the air around the food, cooking it. Because the air in the oven and the middle of the pan are much hotter than you want your food to be, you've got to take it away from the heat at just the right time. Take it off too early or too late, and your food is either under or overcooked. But when cooking with water, instead of superheated air or a pan, you can raise the temperature just enough to get the food to the exact doneness we prefer. Once it is up to temperature, we can pretty much just leave it in the bath until we're ready to eat perfectly cooked food. Sous vide, seemingly magical cooking technique of high-end chefs from the future, but actually just heating food with water.
I created one. Meet Prepdeck, your complete meal preparation system designed for an efficient, tidy, and most importantly, enjoyable cooking experience. Prepdeck comes with 15 storage containers and a vast range of prepping tools that are cleverly hidden inside the unit, keeping things together but at your fingertips when you need them. The included accessories replace your common kitchen tools, and they attach seamlessly to the containers, so it's easy to prep, measure, and store your ingredients all in one motion. Designed with both functionality and beauty in mind, Prepdeck's magnetic enclosure doubles as the perfect cutting board, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. An array of color options mean you can customize your Prepdeck at any time to match your kitchen or personal style. There is a built-in storage tray for your knives and other utensils, and a sleek tablet and phone attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prepdeck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you're cooking for one or for many, Prepdeck saves you time, space, and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare a delicious meal. Attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prepdeck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you're cooking for one or for many, Prepdeck saves you time, space, and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals in one streamlined and beautiful system.
you ready to chill? Like never before? Introducing OTTO, the world's first smart milling machine. With OTTO, you can mill anything you want. You're only limited by your amount. OTTO is our patented smart milling technology. First, OTTO senses the density and consistency of your favorite natural products. Then, OTTO automatically changes the direction, calibrates the milling pressure, and even adjusts the speed as it mills to create a perfect grind every single time, and all at the touch of a button. Combined with custom-made aerospace-engineered cutting blades, OTTO will make sure that your grind is a perfect consistency, perfectly milled, perfect every time. Whether your material is coarse, moist, dry, highly dense, lumpy, or even sticky, OTTO will fill your waiting sachet or cone evenly from tip to top. There's never been anything like it. OTTO makes it easy to take it easy. And if you love to cook, just magnetically attach the O funnel and you'll find OTTO's wonderful in the kitchen. And like always, perfect consistency every time. Right now, you could be making chamomile tea, centering your universe, cleansing your home of all that negative energy, or placing a scented sachet of lavender on the pillow for a rejuvenating night's sleep. So OTTO will mill, fill, well, you just, chill.
Now you're ready to grill. First, plug in the Ready Grill. Turn it on so that it preheats. While it's preheating, we'll prepare our meal. We have 2 fresh salmon fillets that are a little over an inch thick and a bundle of trimmed asparagus. This recipe can be found in our Ready Grill Grilling Cookbook. This cookbook features over 100 unique recipes exclusively developed for the Ready Grill by a 5-star chef. If you don't already have one, you can get it online at Ronco.com. Simply brush the fillets with Dijon mustard and sprinkle with a little fresh dill, and then season both with a little salt and pepper. Now, close the grill basket and simply slide it down into the Ready Grill. Set the dial for about 12 minutes. It's very easy to check the progress of your food. Just lift the basket up, and if your food needs to cook a bit longer, then simply adjust the dial. It's that easy. After the ding, our fish and asparagus are done. After cooking our meal, it's ready to clean up. The grill basket and drip tray simply wipe clean with warm, soapy water. The heat reflectors and end basket guides can be removed for cleaning as well. Or if you prefer, all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Any parts with plastic need to be washed in the top rack, so place your grill basket and drip tray there. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, the Ronco Ready Grill is the most versatile kitchen
When's the last
appliance
time you
around.
cut yourself in the kitchen? Introducing the Knife Glider, the revolutionary new cooking device that virtually eliminates your chances of being cut in the kitchen. Use the Knife Glider's specialty grooves to make cutting a cinch. Have food stuck on the blade? Don't risk cutting your fingers. Use the specialty slits to glide it off easily. Tired of nicking your fingers instead of your food? Slide on the peeling attachment and never nick your fingers again. Don't burn your hand with hot meat. Use the meat attachment to hold your food in place while you cut. Collapsible for easy storage. BPA free and dishwasher safe. Never cut yourself again with
Let me show you how fast and easy it is to use. First, add the oil to the pan and set it to medium-high. Then, add your popcorn. Add some salt, or sugar if you're feeling sweet. It's time to twist. Put the popcorn twist into the pan and cover. Now you twist for 30 seconds. And then set it to medium. Once the popcorn stops popping, pour it into a bowl and enjoy movie theater popcorn right at home. Every kernel popped, plump, and delicious.